Here are 5 AI business ideas you can start in 2025. These business ideas are so hidden that even Dora the Explorer can't find them. Now, the first in our list, sales copywriting. Now, what is sales copywriting? Let me show you what I mean. Now, this is the Apple website. What do I mean by sales copy? You can see all of these writings here. You can see here it says MacBook Air, lean, mean, M3 machine. All these are copy. And let's come down here. You can see iPad Pro, unbelievable thing, incredible power. All of these things are all what we call sales copy. Every write-up you see here psychologically pushes you to take an action and buy one of these products. So these are what we call sales copy. So that is simply copywriting. All what that does is it helps you take an action. It psychologically sends a message in you when you read it, and then it pushes you to take an action and buy one of those Apple's products. So how do you become a sales copywriter? It's simple. So you just pick a particular industry that you want to be a copywriter for, and then study the particular niche and see how you can sales copyright for that particular niche or those particular audience that are interested in that particular niche. So for instance, let's say the beauty industry. So what you can do is come to Google and type beauty salon in Lagos or wherever you're watching this, wherever area you are. You can just type in beauty salon in your location. So let's just type beauty salon in Lagos, and then what it's going to do is that it's going to show you a lot of beauty salons that you can now. So what you can do is just to come down here and just select any of these businesses. What you're supposed to do is just to look at how these businesses are and how we can improve them. So let's just tap on this and see whether they have a website. Now for some reason I don't know why I can't see any of the websites that these beauty salons have, but let me know which time. Let's just go to the next method that you can use, and which is using AI. Now this is the second method. What you're going to do is just to come to ChatGPT and ask it this simple prompt: how do I become a successful copywriter in the beauty industry using AI? So simple. We'll just tap on go and let's see. While it gives us results, please guys don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. So it's giving us the result on how we can be master copywriting and fundamentals. You can see leverage AI tools, content, build a portfolio. So you can see all of these things. So it has given you an idea on how you can become a successful copywriter in the beauty industry. So you can also do this in every niche or any niche. So for instance, if I want to be a copywriter for this pen, selling this pen, what I'm going to simply do is just to write in, let's say, the website of this pen, and I'm going to write something like this: if other pen can delay you, this pen will not delay you. I don't know if that is a good copy, but you get the point. Instead of just saying buy this pen, so if other pen will delay you, this pen will never fail and delay you. So you get the point. So that's just the concept. Just learn about copywriting and be a sales copywriter. Now the next business idea is offering services to other creators or to businesses, local businesses in your locality or online. How do you do that? You can leverage on AI too. So let's say you offer a graphic design. You can offer graphic design businesses. You can literally just, for example, you can open up a graphic design agency where you're going to be supplying graphic designs for particular businesses, for local businesses or online creators, where you're going to also be offering, let's say, creating thumbnails, like the thumbnail you saw before clicking this video that you saw. That is the image, the design that you see on the video on YouTube before you tap on the video and play the video. So those kind of designs, you can offer it for local businesses. You can offer graphic designs for them to illustrate their brand, to illustrate their businesses, to explain more. You can just offer the services. Just think about it, just be creative about these things, and then pitch your ideas to the brand. So you pitch your idea to the brand, you tell them these are the things I can do for your brand. I can make graphic designs to explain your brand further to your customers, and you can leverage AI to do this. It's very simple. So you can also use tools like Canva to do this. Now the next business model is making tutorial videos for people about certain applications, about certain websites that are just coming up. You see, there's a lot of AI applications and AI websites that are just coming out to help people, and not everybody knows how to use these AI applications. So what you're going to do is a business. You can open a YouTube channel or open whatever, TikTok or whatever you want to do, and just make tutorial videos, watch other videos on YouTube or how to use the website, and then make videos about those websites. Make tutorial videos that will help people, and then under below you can just copy your affiliate link. You can just copy the affiliate link of this website and then paste it there. When, let's say, the people tap on that link and register on the website, then you make a commission. It's as simple as that. So that is a business idea you can start. The next business model is creating apps with AI, or apps that have AI features that can actually help. Because if the apps can actually help the business, they are going to say yes. If the apps cannot help the business, they are going to say no. What do I mean? So before you bring this idea to this
app, you have to ask yourself this question: is this app relevant for this business? So let's say applications that can help business automate their process of replying people, like chatbots, so that you help chat customers for basic things, basic questions, handling the Q's and A's. Tap under the link description. You're going to see a link to my Telegram channel where you're going to see this PDF that shows you 40 AI business ideas with AI applications, that AI application ideas that you can pitch to businesses. So these are literally what you're going to get inside here. So you can see different businesses. So you can do AI powered customer chat bots for small businesses. You can do AI business social media content creation and schedule tool. You can see a lot of tools where you can do finance, personal finance assistant app using AI for building. So this app, if you want to make these applications, you can do it in two ways. So one of the ways you can do it is click on that link description. It's going to bring you to fiverr.com. Come down, when you tap on this chatbot, AI chatbot, so you can see a lot of AI services here that you can choose from. So you can see these AI applications. So that's what you're going to now tap on, or AI chatbots, depending on the particular business ideas that you have. So you can just tap on this, and it's going to take you to a lot of customers that can do that services for you. So you can see these are different AI. They can set these applications for you. AI model, you see AI mobile app. You can literally just come here, and you can see they're starting their price from 180. So you can now choose the one. So I think maybe this one at least is lower here. So what you can simply do is just to go to these businesses and pitch these ideas to them. Tell them how these ideas can literally help them. So if you can help the business save cost, save time, and make more profit, then they are more likely to say yes to your business idea. So you can just pitch to them, and then you go to the price of this Fiverr. You can now see, okay, let's say they are charging $100. You can now charge the business $200. So you're not going to hold the remaining commission as those people finish. That is one way you can do it. Or the second way is you can go to YouTube and learn how to create these AI applications. Just spend time to learn how to do it yourself. Now the last business idea in our list is repurposing content. What do I mean by repurposing content? You see, this video you're watching now, you can literally take the video and convert it to an article. You can take the video and convert it to a short. You can take the video and convert it to an audio, a podcast. So you can start up an agency that repurpose people's content. You can just try this for free. So one of the websites you can use is YouTube Transcriber. Let's say you copy the link from YouTube. You now let me just show you what I mean. So for instance, now let's look at this video, why broke men win. So what you do is just to come to this place, these three dots, or you can use this on your mobile phone. However, just copy the link, just tap on share, and when you tap on share, you're going to get the link. You copy the link, and then you take it to you now go to Google. When you go to Google, all you have to do is just type on YouTube Transcriber. So you can see YouTube Transcriber. I've always done this for you. So what you're going to do is to paste the link here. When you paste the link here, and then you now tap on or get transcript. So you now scroll down, it's literally going to make all the transcript. You can see all the transcript here. So what you're simply going to do is just to copy the transcript, and then you can now turn it into an article. So if, let's say, this is the woman I'm doing this for, I can just look for her email and text her and tell her I have repurposed your contents to an article, and I am an agency that does that. If you want me to do that for you, I can do it for you. So that's simple how you can do it and make money by being a content repurpose agency. So that's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share with your friends if you got value from it. Peace, and see you in the next one.